Hey guys, this is Tommy at Blue Water Photo. I just want to introduce to you the A6500 bundle from Fantasea. This Fantasea bundle includes the port for the Sony 16 to 50 millimeter lens. It's a great mid-range lens, very useful for wide angle and macro. You can add a wet diopter for either wide angle or macro to the port. It screws right on the front. Also comes with the zoom gear, which is a 16 to 50 size for the lens. That's for the port here. And the housing, very ergonomic, lightweight polycarbonate. Fantasea has actually upgraded their housings to include a vacuum system. So this gives the operator peace of mind before going into the water. Checking a vacuum makes sure the housing is actually sealed. So that's a great feature added to the housing, along with the zoom knobs, the standard ports for the fiber optics here on top, which is very easy to attach strobes. Overall, one of my favorite polycarbonate housings, highly recommended. And yeah, if you own an A6500 Sony camera, I would definitely check this housing out. Email us here at sales@bluewaterphotostore.com or check out the website at www.bluewaterphotostore.com. Thanks for watching.